Hello guys and welcome to this video. Today I will show with you how to create a Google Docs and share link. So guys, click on the here, go to Google Docs as you can see here, and click the new icon as you can see here, and write something guys here, and I want to say write this one, and click guys, just click on share and click save. Click this here guys, anyone with the link, just click guys the copy the link as you can see here, and check the link with the viewer and the public link and click done. So guys, this is how you can create a link and share it. I hope guys this video helpful for you. Then don't forget subscribe and like and share this video for more content, and see you another video soon. Keep watching guys.